Let's translate the label. It says to wipe it clean with a cloth after use. It's suitable for ages 8 and up. Let's see what's inside the package. The plastic fasteners. The balsa wood shaft. The propeller with the connector to the shaft and the hook for the rubber band. Serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company. This is the base that supports the wings and also connects the shaft. The bungee band is long and usually folds into 4. This plastic piece connects the rear wing. The wings are made of the same foam as disposable plates. This is the double-sided adhesive that attaches the wings to the frame. You came along and lifted me up. According to the instructions, the front of the wings should fold down, and the wingtip should be folded upwards. This helps eliminate the vortices at the wingtip, which reduces drag. Applying the decals isn't as easy as it seems. I stuck the supports on the wrong wing, but then corrected it. You can see the support with the decal. Be careful in this step. Mine ended up crooked and I had to peel it off. The support should be perfectly centered.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same bobcat, same moon boots, trying to outrun the thought of you, but understand the truth don't.
We'll secure the top part with an elastic band from the kit. I had an elastic band left over. Next, we insert the axle. I recommend doing this as the first step. Since it's a very tight fit, you can easily damage the wings during adjustment. It only went in one hole and not the other. There's nothing left to do but remove some wood with sandpaper or a knife. Finally, it went in. Now for the rear hook and the rear wing support. The same applies. It should be attached with double-sided adhesive. The propeller came out a little loose because I removed too much wood. I had to fill it in. With the rubber band installed, the plane is ready to fly. This plane has a natural tendency to veer into trees and bushes. I'd better move away from there. It flies very well. Make sure you are flying into the wind.